Every year, about 5,500 people are killed in crashes involving distracted driving, and many of them are young drivers, just starting out.
Distracted driving means doing anything, physical or mental, that pulls your focus away from the road. It happens anytime you take your eyes off the road, hands off the wheel, or mind off driving.
It's not just texting, it's talking, eating, adjusting controls, or even daydreaming. If your mind isn't focused, you're not fully in control.
There's also something called inattention. That's when you mentally check out without any specific distraction. Stress, emotions, even boredom behind the wheel can cause it. At 55 miles per hour, taking your eyes off the road for just 3 seconds means your car travels the length of a football field, completely blind.
Distractions affect how you drive in three dangerous ways. Slowed perception. You may miss what's happening around you. Delayed decisions. You hesitate or react too late. Wrong actions. You turn the wheel too far, brake too late, or press the gas instead of the brake.
Quick glances, like checking your mirrors, are okay if they're under 1 second. Any longer? You're rolling the dice.
New drivers are especially at risk. You're still learning how to control the car. You can't afford split focus. Watch out for these common distractions.
Texting or talking on the phone, even hands-free.
Looking at stuff outside the car.
Adjusting seats, mirrors, or music while driving.
Eating, drinking, smoking, one hand on the wheel.
Loud music that drowns out sirens or horns.
Unrestrained pets climbing around the car.
Distractions are everywhere. But behind the wheel, there's only one job that matters: driving.
Stay focused. Drive safe.